Good morning, y'all. It is, excuse me, it's the 22nd day of December, which means it's the 23rd day of Vlogmas. Y'all are watching this on Christmas Eve, or, you know, whenever you're watching it. So, you may have seen a little bit of my montage of getting my coffee and my Advent's ready to come in here, but I also grabbed some tissues because I have the sniffles today. Of course I do. I have so many things to do and I'm not feeling well. So I got a shower to try to get any kind of impurities out of my hair. I took some echinacea and vitamin C to hopefully boost some things, and we'll see. My eyes are watering and all of that. So there could be breaks this morning or throughout the day for nose blowing and sneezing and all of that. So we'll see. So let's go ahead and get started with my Advents. So hold on. All right, day 22. Oh my gosh, I can't believe there's only 2 more after this. I can't believe it's coming to an end. All right, so I see 23. There's 22. So 22 right here. All right, where is it? Right here. I'm trying to see what the outline of it is. Yeah, somewhere in here. So, all right, where, oh, y'all, my coordination and all is just a little bit off today. I don't know what's going on. I have a feeling it's mostly allergy related. Probably has to do with running the heater so much, and the dryness with that tends to just set me off. Is that it? Okay. Oh, that's another tube of something. It's another watercolor paint in stone blue. So, oh, okay. My dress caught it. Perfect. So I'm gonna show you this. Look at that. That's definitely got a little bit green to it. So stone blue watercolor paint. That will be fun to play with. Yeah. Okay, and then I have my mixed media Advent swap with Nina Fickett. She and I swapped, if you've seen this, you know what this wheel is. She and I swapped 24 days of mixed media goodies in 4 categories, so 6 of each category. Vintage, purchased from our own stash, and handmade. So, and this has one of the, well, first off, the tag has a mushroom, or 2 mushrooms it looks like on the back. Yeah, hold on. Let me go ahead and peel that off. There. 2 mushrooms on the back. Look at those. But it also has this tag. Now, y'all, I don't know what Nina made these tags out of, but I used some of them yesterday when I worked on my clean slate. I don't know what it is. It feels thicker than vellum, but it's not really, I don't know what it is. I will have to ask Nina. It could be vellum. Super cool. Anyway, this, yeah, she's just got vintage written on them. So that's how she has distinguished the vintage one she sent me. So something vintage. Oh my gosh, and I cannot remember what I sent her today. That's how today's going. That's, yeah. I will tell y'all in a bit what I sent her, because I've looked ahead and I know all the things I've sent her, but I can't remember the order. I mean, I do remember what Christmas Eve is. That's the only one, so. All right. Oh, we got another envelope here. So an envelope of vintage goodies. I will not complain. I don't think I complain about anything Nina sent me so far. So it's all been fabulous. And when you see the clean slate journal I made using the stuff she sent me, even better. Actually, you probably saw it in yesterday's video. You can go over there and see a glimpse of it real quick. Oh my gosh, there's this stack of ephemera awesomeness. Y'all. Okay, let me make sure I got everything. Okay, just don't want to leave anything behind. So this is an illustrated story of the builders of our state, makers of Minnesota. So, oh wow. It is like, it's like a comic book about Minnesota. Yo. How cool is that? I've never seen anything like that. That's really neat. And then here are a couple of illustrated children's book pages with the really nice large print on them. This says these are John Deere part cards. I thought it said postcards. I was like, these aren't postcards. They're postcard sized. But they are part cards. Let me see if I can get the sticky note off. So there's three of these. This side has some writing on them. It's very cool. Then there's another one. Oh, she said she used one of this couple's wedding photos in her Crafty Hope prompts. She loves them and had to share. So, oh yeah, look at that. Okay, oh, it's double-sided. So this is from somebody's photo album or maybe proofs or something, because you see how I'm flipping it this way and not this way. Oh, I guess it was probably from a wedding book that flipped. That would make sense. Duh, Hope. Duh. All right, and then, oh, it says your colors. So it is an envelope of different things in blues. So let me see. I don't know if y'all can see it with that, but it says reading company train order. So like reading company from like Monopoly, okay? And then there's Bishop McCourt High School and a couple other tickets. I'm gonna leave those in there for right now. Let's see if I can get there. You can see the different things in it. Awesome sauce. So much ephemera. I will have to figure out how to use these now. But so much awesome. Okay. Excuse me. It is a Friday, which is usually my cleaning day. And as it is also Christmas is Monday, I will do some of the bulk of the cleaning, I think, while I'm baking on Sunday, I think is the plan. But since it's just my two nieces, their significant others, and the married one's mother-in-law that's coming over, I'm not going to try to stress myself out about it. All right, I'm hitting the 7-minute mark here. I'm going to go and I'll pop back in a little bit. Oh, right. I remember I sent Nina. I'm really excited about this one. It was one of the first things I thought of for sending her as far as what I could make. So I'm considering this handmade. Yeah, that's how I'm considering it. It's something we laser cut, or I think I mostly did it because it was a pretty easy laser cut. It's some tags like these. So it's cardboard tags in varying sizes. This is a set. This was my first go through, and the holes on some of the bigger ones are like way too big and the placement of them is wonky. So I kept them for myself and sent her a better set of them. So just a variety of laser cut cardboard tags for her to play with. So, and I consider it handmade because again, handmade them. It's something I created for her. So, okay. Oh, I really wish I didn't have this cold or runny nose or whatever it is that's going on with me. Ugh. You know, it always happens at the worst time. So I have a bunch of stuff I need to defrost, and I need to do recycling in the next day or two. I've got some shopping I need to do, some cleaning I need to do, and I want to finish the wrapping and work on the Care December video I did yesterday. So I've got a list. Where did I put that list that I made this morning while I was doing my morning pages? All the things I want to do in the next couple days. And I want to see if I can like figure them out and for the next 3 days, like put them in spots and say, okay, on today I'm going to finish wrapping, and Saturday I'm going to clean, and you know, I'll be baking over the next several days. And I've got a couple presents, little things I want to make. Why does it say shopping list? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Oh, because I need to make a shopping list and I need to go shopping because I have 2 different things on here. Yeah, so I'm going to start on that list and get them over Friday, Saturday, Sunday, get everything kind of figured out. I also need to figure out like my schedule for baking things, especially Christmas morning. Like, can certain things be baked together? Do I need to start things earlier than I expect? Yeah, because I'm making a casserole, some frozen pigs in a blanket, and possibly some bacon that all needs to be done in the oven. I like to bake my bacon in the oven because I don't like frying it on the stove. It gets everywhere and is a mess. So I need to figure out like the timing of all of that. But I'm starting at 6 o'clock, and I've told my nieces to be here at 9. So that gives me several hours to get it all done, y'all. I'm excited and I'm nervous, and I don't know why I'm nervous because it's just my nieces. My mom is on her way to Florida now, so I'll be missing her. This is weird. It'll be my first Christmas ever without my mom. It's just weird. So we're going to do Christmas, I think, on Epiphany. So, which is January 6th. So I might do a Vlogmas for that too. We'll see, since, you know, when the song, the 12 days of Christmas, or actually start Christmas Day and end on Epiphany. Those are the 12 days of Christmas. This Advent period leading up to it, that's Advent. So between, yeah, the beginning of December to Christmas, that's Advent. And after Christmas are actually the 12 days of Christmas. Yeah. Oh, that's about the extent of my knowledge. Oh, I don't, yeah, that's all I know. Okay, I'll talk to you later. It is a gorgeous day today. We just went for a quick bike ride. Pat put, I don't know, something to adjust my handlebars on my bike. So we went to test that out. We stopped to let some cars go by, and right there in the ditch, there were some feathers. Y'all, look at those. So yeah, I collected some feathers on the side of the road. I think I'm going to go check the mail and bring the trash can in. I finished my wrapping, most of it. I got a couple things I want to make that need to go in things. And, yeah, not sure what else I'm going to do. I'd like to get out and be out here in this gorgeousness some more, but Pat's got to laser cut a few things. So we'll see what happens. We did go to lunch. We went out to the Chinese buffet. We hadn't been there in like 4 years, maybe 5. It's been a while. So yeah, we went and did that. And, I see some little birds. I need to check on my bird feeder because there's food in it, but it gets clogged. So I might clear that up too. So I started on a couple other things. And if he's going to be burning that long, I may work on some videos. So we'll see. We'll see what day holds. But it's so stinking beautiful out here today. Just, it's like 70 degrees. It's way warmer than it should be. But that's okay. It's okay. It's not freezing cold. So, you get to it. I'm not sure how much of that footage I'm sharing with y'all. I just recorded it and recorded. It was a beautiful day. We did take a little bit of a bike ride. I mentioned that, I think, before. And Pat went and laser cut some stuff. And then I went out to ask him a question. And we decided before the day got away from us to go ahead and go for a walk down by the bay. I mentioned that maybe it would be nice to take Zoe out for a walk. And it's always gorgeous down there. And it was such a nice day that, yeah. So I got some, I don't know, it looked like some beautiful footage. I know some of the roses were blooming. There's a rose garden down there around the fountain, right at the top of the pier, bottom of the pier. I don't know where the pier starts in Fairhope. And So it was really lovely. So yeah, I thought I had finished all the Christmas wrapping and then remembered 2 more things that I need to wrap that were sitting in the kitchen that had come in the mail. So I'll have to get those, and then the things that Pat's been laser cutting, I'll have to get those as well. And I think he's got a couple other things he may want to laser cut. I need to remind him of that. So I will have to do some baking tomorrow. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the oatmeal cookies baked at least, and I may go ahead and do my grocery trip. I don't really want to, because just going through town to go take our walk, it was, oh gosh, the traffic and passing by a couple of the grocery stores, it was crazy. And I'm like, I really don't want to go out into that. I got an email that a bunch of people at one of the shops has the flu, and like, oh gosh, so I will be going out with my mask on. And yeah, not looking forward to that. So I am working on editing, trying to get the vlog edited, and then well, I'm working right now on getting my clean slate edited, and then I'll work on the vlog. Yeah, but that's probably it for the evening. I'm going to put a pizza in the oven. I know we had pizza last night for dinner, but I'd forgotten I had planned it for tonight. The other option was some Korean style crunchy chicken, and we had Chinese food for lunch. So it's like, yeah, so we're gonna have pizza tonight. Because I've got something special planned for Christmas Eve. So I had a couple of easy meals for these next 2 nights. It's a Friday, Saturday night, first couple nights of vacation, easy. So I hope you have had an easy day and that you have a very good weekend, and I will see y'all in the morning. And yeah, when I see y'all, when I post that, it will be Christmas Eve that it goes up. So hopefully everything goes well. So that's the plan. And I know I mentioned this morning that I wasn't feeling well. I've mostly been okay. So I just had a little bout this morning. I think the shower helped. The echinacea vitamin C helped. I'll probably take some more tomorrow, just to kind of keep on that trend of keeping my immune system kind of bulked up. So, all right guys, I will talk to you later. Have a very wonderful day. Happy Vlogmas.